Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. We are going to try something a little different today. I wanted to do a quick video. I know I always say that and I end up making it longer. I'm going to try and make this quick. I really am. We're calling this a mystery turkey pour or a surprise turkey pour. Okay, the turkey pour part is possibly when you were a kid, you put your hand down on a piece of paper and you traced around your fingers and thumb and you got the outline of what became a turkey. So that's the premise here. We're starting with our hand. It's one of the easiest pours to do other than a straight pour out of a cup. Obviously that's probably the simplest. This will be the second simplest because we won't need any other equipment except our hands and the paint. Now here's the surprise or the mystery part. Rather than trying to pick colors myself, I decided to put a whole bunch of Arteza tube paints into two bags. The bag with the dark green print on it has all dark colors. Not all of them I have. I picked out a whole mess of different dark colors. I didn't do it based on what I like. I just picked out dark colors, put them all in here. There are a whole mess of them, see? Whoops. Maybe you can't see. There are a whole mess of them. And it's somewhat subjective. You could argue that pearl turquoise is not dark, nor is it particularly light. I put it in here. So those are all dark to darkish colors. And then over here, I put a whole bunch of Arteza tube paints that are in the light to lightish family, in my opinion. And we are going to draw 3 from each bag, and that's what I'm going to use. No matter what they are, that's what I'm going to use. And you'll have to take my word for the fact that I'm being honest. I swear to you, I'm not looking. Here are the 3 lights. We have Pearl Pistachio. We have Pearl Lime Green. Let's see if we can get something other than another green, although we'll use it if we pick it. And, oh good, Pearl Lilac. So those are our 3 lights. Now, darks. Any 3 darks out of this bag. First up is Pearl Turquoise. I swear I mixed them up. Next one is Pearl Deep Brown. We've seen that before. That's like a dark brown, like brownies. Dark brown. And the last dark is Pearl Hot Pink. All right, we've used all those colors before in other pours. I was hoping to get something new. Let's pick a 4th one. See if I can feel a tube that hasn't been used for anything yet. Okay. Pearl Marmalade. So we have 7 colors. I'll put these bags away. Okay, so I'm going to mix these 7 colors up, let them sit for a little while, and then we will do our turkey pour. Be back soon. And we're back. Alright, just a reminder, I mixed up all the colors that I picked out of those 2 bags. To go over them very quickly, now that they're mixed up, we have Pearl Lilac, we have Pearl Lime Green, we have Pearl Pistachio Green, we have Pearl Turquoise, Pearl Marmalade, Pearl Hot Pink, and Pearl Deep Brown. So all metallics. We're going to be layering them in this cup. And then we're going to do the so-called turkey pour. I debated whether to do it this way or to do it this way. Either way, because my hands are big. I'm a big gal. Either way, some of the paint's going to go right off. So I figured I'd do it like this. That will probably keep most of the paint on the canvas and then we'll tilt. I'm just going to be layering in no particular order. I mixed all the paints, 1 part paint to 1 part Floetrol. There should be approximately, so I've got 7, so there should be approximately 7 ounces here. I only need 5 per Mixed Media Girls calculations to cover this canvas, so we should have plenty. All right, this is a 9-inch cup, so it looks like we maybe have 5 ounces. I'm gonna give it a shot. I'm sorely tempted to flood the painting with something else first. I'm always sorry when I use white. We'll flood with green. These are great. I was going to order artist palette, and I may still do that. Not an artist palette, an artist palette scraper. They come in lots of different sizes depending on the use. And then I remembered I had this offset spatula in my kitchen tools drawer, I guess, because it's an icing. It's for icing cakes, but it's basically exactly the same thing. Ready, everyone? Oh, torch. Okay, for total transparency, that green is Artist Loft Flow Acrylic mixed 1 part paint to 1 part Liquitex pouring medium. Here we go. Well, should have used my other hand. Sorry, people. The good news is I have a better camera on order, so the overhead camera will be able to show a lot more clarity and detail. I won't have to rely as much on the side camera for so much detail. Put that there. Slowly pick my hand up. All right, let's pick the cup up, torch one more time. I did wait after mixing these paints up, but I was excited to do this, so I didn't wait all that long. Okay, and now we tilt. I definitely like the patterns that the fingers leave. See if I hang on to any of it. I think I will. I must say I like that turquoise blue, but you know, big surprise there, huh? There were some reds in those bags. There really were. Well, in the dark bag. I made sure I included browns and reds, and we pulled a couple browns, but no reds. I really would have worked with a red if I'd pulled one out. I really would have. All right, I like it just like that. Cool beans. I sound so surprised, I know. It is, though. It's pretty. It's very brown. But there are a lot of other colors. It's pretty. Okay, lower right corner. Up the right-hand side. Very pretty. Oh, I love where the blue shows through. Isn't that a surprise? Upper right-hand corner. We'll go across the top. To the upper left-hand corner. And then down the left-hand side. Ooh, I love all the colors in here. Look at that. I'm sorry, I'm trying to hold the camera very still and then I start moving around. Down the left-hand side to the lower left-hand corner. And across the bottom. Okay, everybody. Thanks for joining me today. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you in the next video. Have a great day.